This is actually the first story I've done from my hometown, and it's a doozy. New Jersey woman pushing 30 fakes way into high school for almost a week before officials noticed. Oh, New Brunswick High School. Go Zebras. High school learning in 2023 has to be a complete dumpster fire. If you could doctor up a few transcripts to get in, why not bypass it all and just doctor up a whole diploma? A New Jersey woman pushing 30 years old, we don't age shame over here, allegedly faked her way into a New Brunswick high school before school officials realized she was years too late for the senior prom. Who wrote this? I know adulting can be depressing sometimes, but how bad could it possibly be that someone would want to bootleg a few more high school years? Hyejeong Shin, 29, is accused of showing a forged birth certificate to school officials to attend classes with teenagers at New Brunswick High School. Why? According to authorities, New Brunswick Superintendent of Schools Aubrey Johnson informed the district school board at a Tuesday meeting the woman attended classes for 4 days. First off, who taught her how to forge a birth certificate? Second, why sell yourself short at New Brunswick High School? Why not take the scam all the way up to Rutgers? Got better food. While she attended some classes, most of her time was spent with guidance counselors trying to get more information on her, Johnson said during the meeting that was posted online by news outlet New Brunswick Today. Authorities were immediately notified, and the individual in question has now been arrested for providing false documentation, Johnson said as he urged students not to contact her. Contact her? I guess after you've had 12, 13 years to actually reflect on the high school experience, you could go back and be the social butterfly you always wanted to be. Play it back. Shin, who lives in New Brunswick, was charged Tuesday with a count of providing a false government document with the intent to verify one's identity or age. Authorities allege she showed the fake birth certificate with the intent to enroll as a juvenile high school student. It's still kind of creepy because it reminds me of the movie Orphan, where she appeared to be a young girl, but she was really a grown woman. A group of students reportedly attended the Tuesday board meeting to voice their concerns about the unnerving situation. Let's be honest with each other. Going to high school in 2023, there are some legitimate, unnerving, dangerous concerns. This one is far from number one. We feel so unsafe and nobody wants to listen to us. Student Ethan Calderon told New Brunswick Today, do they not care about us because we're minorities? Oh, he played the race card. Somebody's running for class president. I caught a story similar to this a while back where the girl was attending high school. They loved her in high school. She had a job at McDonald's. She had an 18-year-old boyfriend, and came to find out that she was a whole grown woman. Some people just yearn to live in a simpler time, and sometimes that simpler time is in their past. A parent told News 12 New Jersey she was concerned because there's no clear reason why the adult wanted to go back to high school. Says someone who probably wasn't popular in high school. It happened last week, and that's concerning. As parents, we are the last ones to know what's going on, and we should be the first ones. Mother Yaritza Arroyo said, according to the news station, our children are in school and we send them there hoping and praying that they are safe, and they aren't.